Okay, so Not a Hacky is coming on quite well. I did try and build a instrument binnacle, and the idea is that things like the forward and reverse switch and the voltmeter and that go in there, but to be honest that looks terrible, so we're not going to do that. What I did do is buy one from Toylander, and you can see it's a moulded plastic. It's a nice smooth instrument binnacle, so I'll have the direction indicator there, probably voltmeter there, indicator switch to show it's powered up, along with maybe horn and light switch on there, and that should be all good. But yeah, that was pretty cheap. That was like £13, and so much better than the thing that I created. So the car itself has moved on quite a bit, so let's go and have a look at that. The Kiddy Car, and you can see it's now been filled and sanded and looking pretty dusty. It's almost mechanically complete. Got to build a brake pedal. I've got the brake pedal bracket, but I do need to make the brake pedal so that at least the thing will stop, although being a geared motor it should do. If I just pan round, you can see it's got the bonnet. I bought some bonnet latches from Toylander as well. I've still got to fill in the curved bits there. Now it does look sort of Rolls-Royce Wraith-like with those there, but I am going to fill them in. I did buy some aluminium but decided it was too thick. Then a brainwave of mine is I'm going to buy some aluminium pipe, which is almost the same radius. Just basically cut it and then glue it in, and that will be so much easier. See the bonnet there? I've identified some nice stainless steel hinges that get used on boats. So they look the part, they look a bit like a Land Rover hinge. Being stainless steel, they won't rust. I've got stainless steel bolts knocking around, so we'll have the bonnet. Underneath the bonnet will be all the electrics, the battery and so forth. So yes, just stepping back, you can see how it looks. It sort of rolls at the moment, so maybe good for a soapbox racer. But yeah, we're making progress. Next step is filling those bits at the front, and then start getting some paint on it, I suppose.